Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us all here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. If you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And today the weekly candle finished, so we're going to analyze for you even the weekly chart. So make sure to watch everything till the end because we got very important information today. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, you watching me now, are you not a subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all, so like that when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram and Discord, where we're giving daily signals there. The link of our Telegram and Discord is down in the description of that video. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see that the weekly candle here, it's finished, which is that one here. Let me zoom it to show it to you. As you see it here, that candle here, the weekly chart here, it gave us an indecision candle here. That meant that level here, it's still very stronger here. And there is no power to break it down, even if it happened at that big candle here. So now what the view? Me personally, I'm thinking the market maybe is going to stay sideways here. Maybe we're going to see a major jump, or maybe we're going to fall down. All those ones, they are possible. Let me show you why I'm thinking all that. People, they been with me, they remember when we break in here the top of that channel, and me, I told you for us to know it is a real breakout. It's need the market to fall down to touch here that channel, and after that to go back up. You can go back and watch our old videos and you're going to find it the same thing that what me have been telling you. So now what the market doing here at that level here, me zoom it, look at it here. The market fall down, it touched the top of that trend line from the top. So now it's need the market to go back higher to break that last high here to confirm for us we're real, we're breaking here the top of that wage here in weekly. So if we don't, that means the market maybe to go back inside. If the market go back here inside, that means all that is just a fake breakout, guys. You need to be focused with me. And here that the trend line also will be following in daily, and now it's getting broke as you see it. You see it or no? We're breaking here the trend line. Shall we get scared? Not yet, because if you're looking with me here, that the level also we're breaking here before. Now we go back with the state here. That the second time. We need to be scared if we're breaking that level here. That one here down, if it came a candle and break it like that, yes, we need to be scared. But now there is nothing yet, also we need to wait in more, guys. Another thing here, I'll show you that one in daily, but it's okay. Market, he tried to give us here a M or a double top. Should you get scared if a candle came and break it lower here? Yes. For the long, there is no long yet. Remember that. For long-term investors, those ones they buy with me in daily, you can put a pending order here down at that level here, and another one down here at that level here, because we don't know what's going to happen those days, guys. So maybe the market will fall down to touch here, then after that to go back higher, maybe not, maybe from that level here it will go back up. So everything is too clear. Now let's go into see the coming news for all the week. So let's go in there. The coming news for all the week, guys, because that week we got very special week, so you need to be focused with me. As you see, in Monday, UK, they got a holiday or a bank holiday. That's how British people, they call it, a bank holiday. So that one, there is no trading for cable and those things. In Thursday, what we got consumer confidence, then we got jolts. That what we got in Thursday at 2 o'clock is going to come. And Wednesday, we got CPI data of Germany, ADP non-farm employment change for USA, the GDP of USA, pending home sales, and crude oil inventory. All those things, they are going to come that week. In Thursday, what we got, as you see, guys, that's what we got. We got CPI data of the Eurozone. Then we got that one here, that PCI, that one, what the inflation indicator, the Fed, it follow. So that one you need to be focused about it. It's going to come in Thursday. So be careful, guys. Don't try to trade in Thursday. In Friday, we got average hourly earning, non-farm payroll, unemployment rate, ISM manufacturing, and ISM manufacturing price is going to come on Friday. So it's going to be a very, very, very special week. So be careful, guys. Be careful. That's the only thing I can tell you. And here is our friend, the table of us, as we're looking at it every day. Look at it, what it's telling us till now. As you see, all US stocks, they started the week green. That good news here. Should we be scared? We need to wait until Monday, because as you see, the dollar index, it started red. So we need to wait in Monday candle how it's going to finish. Then also we're going to make a decision based on that. Down here, as you see, our friend the VIX, it go back to 15. That's very, very good news. But let's wait in all that week, guys, because that week is going to come the CPI or PCI data, and that is the CPI the Fed members they follow. So everything is too clear. Now let's go into the daily to see what the Bitcoin doing today in daily. So let's go in there. Here we are in the daily, guys. Here in the daily, Bitcoin is staying here at that level here. As you see it, there is no breaking up, no breaking down. Also, we're still waiting what the market is going to do. I told you for us to enter, it's need the market to come back to break here. For us to enter long, if it doesn't, there is no entry long. And I'll show you even here, down, we got that inside bar, which is that one here, that candle here. As you see it, here now we hasn't breaking top of it. We haven't breaking the down here. So there is no trading yet. We need to wait until the right time, till the price telling us we need to enter. Now here we got a small flag. I show it to you even in 4 hours, but even that one we need to wait in where we're going to break either up or either down. Till now there is no clear picture, so us we waiting till the right time. People they being with me, they remember that us we buying from here, here, and here, and me I got a pending order here, and wanna just show you in the weekly down. So I'm still waiting if the market is going to fall down or to go back up. So let's wait in what the market is going to do, guys. So that's it for the daily. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what Bitcoin doing today in 4 hours for swing trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours, guys. Here in the 4 hours, that's the flag me are talking about. I show it to you before, like that and like that. And that's the flag, as you see it, very clear flag here. Also, we wait until it's breaking up or down here. If it doesn't, there is no entry. Also, we still waiting to finish its sideways moves here. So till now, there is nothing. Also, we waiting, guys. And in the 4 hours, there is nothing new. I show you before, we got those moving averages here, and we stay. The 50 moving average here reacted like a very, very, very stronger resistance here. So nothing new here. Now it's going to see our indicator, what it's saying here. Our indicator, guys, you remember what me I told you here, because if you've been with us for some time, you remember that I told you we got here that trend line here. As you see here, it's break it here in that level here. Told we enter short now. It's need the 4 hours to close and to break that flag as we got. If it doesn't, there is no entry. Even that one it fall down or something, because that one at the end of the day it's just an oscillator. Yes, for scalping on those things you can enter, but here no. For swing trading you need to wait in. And also here we're still in a very, very, very down or a bear market. Man, no balls yet, no one buying at this time. So even you do the same thing, guys. Wait till the right time. Now let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying, guys. That one here, same thing as you see it. Also we are here down at the oversold area level. Also we are in a very, very, very stronger supply and demand zone. Price action we got here, that channel here, but till now the market doesn't give us a clear picture either to enter long or to enter short. So us we still waiting till the market tell us that. I'm talking here just about swing trading. For scalping and day trading is another story, but for swing trading also we still waiting, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. Here in 30 minutes, yesterday may I give you here a signal like that to enter a long like that. It's breaking here. We'll have you enter long till here for small like scalping and those things. Now here at that level here, we got that trend line here as you see it. And that trend line is getting broke here now. So now you need to enter short at that time here. At me, I'm not going to enter short. I will be honest with you. I'm still waiting because as I know that just the start of the week, we need to wait in that spread move or market makers, because those people they just enter, so we need to wait in them till the right time there. Also we're going to make an entry based on that. Now we don't got nothing here. You can make something like that, you see it, and down here you do it like that, and you wait in the break what is going to happen. If it happen here you can enter long, if it happen down here you can enter short, but at this time we don't got nothing here. Or you can even make it like that, as you see it, like that, and down here like that is going to be more accurate than the first one I draw. So like that, if it's breaking above here you can enter long, if it's breaking down here you can enter short. Let's see our indicator what it's saying, guys. Our indicator, as you see it, it's being here at the overbought area, so technically you need to looking for short, but me, as I told you, I'm not going to enter short now, because the entry short it was from here, from that level here, when it's breaking here. Now me, I'm late here, so I'm not going to enter short, and I'm not going to give you a signal to enter in it short, guys. So let's wait until tomorrow. So everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, and please make sure to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could even share the video, you done it. Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.